All right, welcome everyone to our first YouTube video on Morgan Rounds Numismatics. For our first video, we're going to go with something very topical. We're going to go with these 2024 flowing hair silver medals. We just got them in the mail today from the US Mint. I was lucky enough to get two, so we're gonna, in this video today, we're gonna go ahead and get these open. We're gonna see if we got the magical medals. The one with the Privy mark and the one that was signed by the Mint director. So bear with me here as I learn how to use a pair of scissors. And here's the first one. And the first one here, we have just your packing slip. A very beautiful box. Oh, I really like this box. They did a nice job with this box. And let's open her up here. Oh, that's kind of cool. I saw this on some other videos that were out there. It kind of flows and opens like this. And let's see what it says. So it says no mint mark, Mint Philadelphia. Okay, nothing crazy there. There's a signature of the Mint director, but that's obviously been printed on there. So that's not the one with the signature. And okay. Drum roll, please. We're going to open this up. Maybe I should look at it first just to see. And not the one with the Privy mark, but that's okay. That's a beautiful coin. I'm very lucky I got it. I'm very lucky I got two of these guys. You can see here what it's a beautiful classic design. They're redoing the original from the late 1700s. A lot of people at the time called this the turkey instead of the eagle because it kind of looked like a turkey, but it's very beautiful metal. So now that it's sold out, I'm stoked that I got one, and so one is cool. And let's put that one back, but I do have another one to open. Now I understand that every one of these, I believe, if my math is right, I got a 1 in 43 chance. So I have another 1 in 43 chance right here. So let's open this sucker up here. Okay, hold on a second. Put some extra tape on this one. Okay. And let's open this guy up. Another packing slip. And okay, looks the same as the other one. So we'll see. Looks exactly the same as the other one, at least so far. I don't see anything else on here that would say anything like special about it. So you open the sucker up and see if this is signed by anybody. Holy shit, it is. This is the signature. So this is one of the 250 with the signature on it. Oh my God. 155 of 230. Hand signed. You gotta be kidding me right now. So if this is here, then this has got to have the Privy mark on it. And it does. Oh my God, look at that. That sucker's got the Privy on it. And the hand sign one. Oh my God. Holy crap. There she is. The one with the Privy, and let's see if there's anything else special about this. So, now that's got the Privy mark on it. That's the hand sign one. Oh yeah, and it is different. The other one here, you can see here, it says Privy mark, 230. So what does this mean? Oh, 155 of 230. So there's only 230 of these made. And it says not only is it signed by her here, but it is also designated here on the specifics of the medal itself. Well, anyway, let's wrap up this video. Super exciting for my first YouTube video at Morgan Rounds Numismatics. We're going to be bringing you more content like this. I don't know if it's all going to be quite this exciting, but thank you so much for joining me today, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you.